Let's go, everyone! Today, we're unboxing The Psychology of Money. Over 1 million copies sold. Timeless lessons on wealth, greed, and happiness. And like the quote says, I have heard this is one of the best and most original finance books in years. And, new year 2023 now, gotta get healthier in all aspects of life, including finances. We can all improve. Always have that improvement mentality, and this book is one that I am going to read to get better at all this stuff. So this is what the back cover looks like, and let me show you inside a little bit. For my parents who teach me. All right, table of contents. So those are the chapters. Let's see. A few more chapters. So about 200 pages total. A little more to the endnotes. And this is the font size. All right, wealth is what you don't see. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. True, true, true. Already liking this book. All right, everyone, hope you're all doing well. And please drop a comment in the comment section if you like this book, what you think. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll drop a link in the description on where you can purchase this. All right, everyone, take care. See you next time. Later.